Right. Pick a card, any card. Come on. Right, I'll pick your card for you. Now, take a look at your card. Right, I'll look at your card for you. Now, don't tell me what it is.
I don't want to play cards.
Well, then what do you want to do? Shoot craps?
Thinking about shooting myself.
Now, kid, I know that sounds like a good idea right now, but it does not work out in the end. Trust me.
Yeah. Give me one good reason to live.
Cherry cheesecake.
3 weeks ago, I was getting fitted for my first Brooks Brothers suit. Now look at where I am.
Yeah, well, things ain't all bad. You ever been to the jail in Cicero? I'm not talking about the new one. I'm talking about the old one.
My girl's getting married in the morning. I'll never see her again.
You know what your problem is, kid? You ain't got no philosophy. It's like Dillinger once told me. It's always the darkest just before they turn on the lights. There's an old Australian bush song that Melba used to sing. It's a song that always cheered me when I was born. And even Melba said this bush song was a hell of a song to sing. So be quiet, whilst I render it to you. When your instincts tells you that disaster is approaching you faster and faster, then be like the blue boy and sing tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la. When you know you're headed for the jailer, don't allow that old face to look paler, but be like the blue boy and sing tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la. Be like the blue boy who never is blue, 'cause he knows from his upbringing what singing can do. And though the other boys in the Bowsy might say that his efforts are perfectly lousy, he sings on and on till his troubles pop through. Tweet, tweet, la 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 la.
Irma!
Look, I gotta talk fast. I got a couple sailors waiting for me at the forecastle. They're gonna teach me how to grease the horses.
What's going on up there? Have you seen Hope?